Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about Fampay, which is currently hiring for their mobile interns. This will be an on-site internship where you'll have to be in office in Bengaluru, India. So as a mobile intern at Fampay, you will be building and delivering the Fam app to millions of users. So by the way, Fampay has now become Fam. It was Fampay. It was called Fampay earlier. So you will be delivering the Fam app to millions of users. You will be writing your code in Flutter, Kotlin, or iOS or Swift. Right? You need to write maintainable code using these languages and frameworks. Definitely you need to have knowledge of UI development so that the experiences that you deliver to the customer, to the consumer, are user friendly. You should be having some prior knowledge of development, testing and production. So the minimum qualifications, the required qualifications that they have listed is you need to have some experience in developing mobile applications. So if you have had some projects in where you've built mobile applications, may it be Android or iOS, you can add that in your project section of your resume. So they will be scanning that while they are shortlisting your resume. You should be having some experience in building mobile applications using, again, Flutter, Kotlin, iOS or Swift. So if you have experience in that, do add that in your resume. If you should be having proficiency in mobile frameworks, that goes without saying. You should be having understanding of design principles, and UI UX best practices, and definitely a strong knack towards problem solving skills that is required for any software engineering role. Now, as a good to have, they have added that you should be having a BTech or an equivalent degree, or if you're in the process of getting it. So if you're currently pursuing BTech, that should also do. If you have an experience in open source like Google Summer of Code, GSOC experience, then you can add that to your resume because they have mentioned that in their good to haves. So these are the qualifications, the minimum and the good to have qualifications that they have listed in their description. Now moving on to the hiring process that they follow. So Fampay conducts 4 hiring rounds for their mobile internship. So the first round will be an assignment for 48 hours. So here you will be given an assignment, maybe Android or iOS. You'll be given a problem statement, you'll have to solve that, and you will be given 48 hours at home to actually develop that the final product and deliver it to the interviewer or to the hiring manager. So they will be going through your code, going through your end design that you've built, and whatever logic that you've applied in your UI. So they'll be going through that, and if you get selected through your first round, they will be having an interview, an Android or iOS interview for your second round. Now, since this is an internship role, you will be having only one round of proper technical interview, which is your second round, which will be your Android or iOS interview. So once you get through your second round, your technical interview, you will be having an overall experience check round where they will be talking about your previous experiences. Now, since this is an internship role, they will be going through your projects or whatever you have done in college, whatever experience you have. They will be asking you if you have any questions for the interview about the company, about your expectations from the company, stuff about this is an on-site internship, so the policies that you'll have to follow. You can ask everything regarding these in this round. Now, after you get through your overall experience check round, you will have to sit for a cultural fit check, which is basically kind of an HR round. You might be asked situation based questions, you might be asked normal HR based questions about yourself, about what you're good at, what you're not so good at. So, these are the 4 rounds that you'll have to sit for to get through with the mobile internship at Fampay. So it is a good brand to start your career with, to have an internship in your resume from Fampay. That's a great start to your career. So, and they do offer a handsome stipend to their interns, and you do get a lot of work experience from companies like these. So go ahead and apply before the link expires. I've attached the link to the opening in the description of this video. And if you're liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on job openings, on internship openings at companies, especially for college going students. So if you're liking my content, please subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.